As a business owner, it might be important for you to record your information in a more compelling way, a little bit more like Tony Robbins or Zig Ziglar, and you can do that with AI. Here is how. Yes, I'm one of the weird persons who talk to themselves. In my case, I talk to my phone to record something in Google Drive, and this chat flow is a little bit modified because I have a chat prompt template that says that the task is to improve text given by the user to make it more compelling. The text was created with a speech recognition software, but not all words have been recognized correctly. I give it some directions and I say that I would like to have something compelling in the style of these people here. Here is the text, and let me show you the text. This is the speech recording that I did a few minutes before. You can see we have several errors here, like what it will make out of the mess is mass, and this is weird because it contains a K, and some other things have been messed up. Now let's actually copy this. I will run the flow right on the server. Yes, I could also use the web export, but for this demonstration it should be good enough. And you will see this is the original text, and when I press enter we should see very fast results. Okay, here is the result. It actually made something out of my recording, and it says it has added a hook. It broke up long sentences, it used transitional phrases, and did some other useful stuff here. And this is now in English, but I could say something like, in German please. Now it's thinking, and it says, it looks you didn't provide any feedback. Okay, let's try again. Can you please give me the former version in German? And this time it worked. It has translated the stuff. So I wouldn't need to translate it, but it's just easier for me to read in my natural language. So I waste less brain calories. I have spent a lot of money for good translation services like DeepL in the past, but with a solution like this one, you can not only talk to your computer, you can even make it remove the errors, improve the spelling, and translate it into any language that you want. Since 2014, I have taught thousands of people how to create automated trading systems, and now we do 20 business automation servers at a time. We will pay for the first month, we will do the setup and the programming, and if you want one, just click on the link below.